Hello everyone! Good morning! Happy Wednesday! So, andito naman kami kay Hank sa trail. Naglalakad kami as usual. This is our day. This is our morning routine. Walking with Hank. So, ito guys ang dog trail dito. Ayan. Susulitin namin ang paglabas ngayon kasi medyo okay pa ang weather, pero ngayong araw na to ay medyo malamig guys. Kaninang umaga is 9 degrees at mamayang hapon ay 17 degrees, which is hindi to yung normal or usually na temperature ng umaga. Malamig-lamig na guys. Ayan, so keep going Hanky. Come on, buddy. What are you looking? Alright. Come this way. This way. Come. This way, buddy. This way. Come on. Ayan. So far, walang tao dito ngayon. Kami lang. Come this way, bud. Good job. Here. Come on. Come this way. Oh. Did you hear that? I think may mga aso doon sa dulo natin. Doon sa dulo ng ng trail or dog trail. Keep going, buddy. Hawakan ko yung kanyang list kasi may mga aso yata doon. Ayaw kong hatakin nila si Hank. Ayan. Sunny naman, kaso lang malamig guys. Light sweater na ako today. Ito ang buhay namin ni Hank. Every morning guys na ganito kami. And then twice ko siya nilalakad. Ayan. Hinahanap niya yung spot niya kung saan siya magdudumi. Ay, gusto na niyang magdumi, hindi pa niya nahanap yung kanyang. There you go. Umiihi siya. Are you looking for your spot, bud? Wala dito yung spot mo. Keep going pa. Doon pa. Alright. Ayan. Ganyan ang mga aso, guys. Kung saan yung spot nila na umiihi or nagdudumi, doon talaga nila hanapin talaga nila yung nila spot. Alright, come here this way. Come here this way, bud. Goodbye. Good listening. Alright. This is the end of my video for today, Wednesday. Bye everyone and thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Thanks for your support. Oh, another pee. Alright, bye-bye.